Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole Johnson and this is my beauty channel where I share all of my beauty tips with you. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button and join in on the conversation. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about just a lash serum that's going to help you grow your lashes and then some other products that really support and don't damage your lashes. So this is a big deal for my clients is lashes. I do extreme lashes. I've been doing them for the last 10 years here in the studio and I do them on the hour, and lashes make a huge difference to your beauty, ladies. I have a card that says Lash Addict because my clients like to stay on programs where they're really knowing that they're always going to have their lash extensions, or if they're not using the lash extensions, they're on a serum that's really growing the lashes. This is a lash serum that I've been using for 2 years. I see a huge difference with my lashes. They look absolutely long, beautiful. And I wanted to share that with you today. So it's really a great price point at $65. This is a lash serum you're going to put on your eyelashes every night before bed. And you do need to do maintenance every other day once you actually get them to the length that you want them. But this will last you 3 months, this tube. So it's a really great price point with real results. It's not a drug. You don't have to worry about it, you know, changing your eye color or giving you hyperpigmentation on your lash line or redness. It's made up of peptides and amino acids and vitamins. So this is a really great product to incorporate into your beauty routine if you're wanting to have longer, fuller lashes. Now, I can only speak from what I see and what I see in my clients because that is what keeps this product in my studio. I keep replenishing it. This is actually my last one. I just pulled it from the front and I really love the fact that I'm seeing results and I keep up with it and I love how my lashes look. Now, another thing that a lot of my clients were doing were using eyelash curlers and they're crimping their lashes, they're damaging them, they're breaking them. So instead of using, if you really want to have your lashes up, this is actually such a better product, is using a heated eyelash curler. I've talked about this before in some of my videos. I used to actually do an eyelash curler and then I would use a heated eyelash curler. That's not the right thing to do. I only use heat now on my lashes. I don't want to kind of crimp them or damage them or put pressure on them. That's the last thing I want to do. So using a heated eyelash curler, this is actually, I didn't actually take this out, but I'll show you what it looks like. This is going to really give you that height. And you know what's so interesting, ladies, is that this keeps your lashes up all day long. When you crimp your lashes, I never found that that actually worked for a long period of time. So this is what it looks like. It's really simple and easy. You put just a battery in here and then you turn it on. There's a light on to let you know that it's on. It doesn't get super hot. You don't have to worry about burning your lashes or your eyelid. You just want to, you know, you're just basically curling it up. I put mascara on and then I curl them up with the heat, and it's almost like the mascara in the heat turn into like a hairspray. So they stay up, and then you have like a comb on the other end if you want to comb through them, but it's beautiful. And I love these. They're 18. It's like a great investment. So you can have lashes that look like, here's my lashes. If you have straight lashes, ladies, you're never going to see them. That's why you want them up. That's why I do that Dolly Lash treatment, which is a lash lift here in the studio. It's an hour treatment. It's $100 and it lasts 6 to 8 weeks. So it's called, I call it Dolly Lash, but it's a lash. Basically, it's a more modern way of perming the lashes. So then I have here, you want to use, you don't have to use this brand, but this is one I have in the studio for my extreme lash clients. This is a lengthening and volumizing mascara. So you can use this. My lash clients need to be using a mascara that's made for the lash extensions, but you want to use a volumizing mascara. I personally use the Chanel one that's a volume. I really love how it really separates my lashes. It really has my lashes up. It's not clumpy. Another one that's drugstore brand is the what is it called? I think it's L'Oreal Voluminous. That's right? I use that for like ever. I love that product. It's very creamy. I love the wand. So that's a nice alternative. I think it's like $12, $13. The Chanel one I use is $32, but it doesn't matter because I always like go back and forth. I've just been stuck on the Chanel one right now. I get like really particular with how I like the wand and how I like what my lashes look like. So These are simple little products that you can increase the length and the boldness and the fullness of your lashes with a lash serum. You can change up crimping your lashes and damaging them with a heated eyelash curler. And then you have a volume mascara, so it doesn't have to be extreme. This is really creamy. This is really beautiful. I have a lot of clients that aren't using lash extensions that do buy this mascara. It's $28. Or you can turn into whatever your favorite volumizing mascara is that you can either get at the drugstore, at Sephora, whatever you really like. So there's no right or wrong. You just want a volumizing. You want to see that volume with your lashes, and it will dramatically change your beauty, ladies. When you have lashes, for some reason, it makes you feel just that much more confident. So until my next video, I'll see you later.